What is a pip? A pip, or point in percentage, is the smallest unit of measure in forex trading. It represents the smallest movement in the price of a currency pair. Most currency pairs are priced to 4 decimal places, and a pip is the last decimal place in the price quote. But there are some exceptions like Japanese yen pairs, they go out to 2 decimal places. For example, if the euro to US dollar pair is trading at 1.2000 and it moves up to 1.2001, that is a 1 pip increase. Similarly, if it drops from 1.2000 to 1.1999, that is a 1 pip decrease. Pips are important in forex trading, because they determine the profit or loss of a trade. When you place a trade, you are essentially betting on whether a currency pair's price will go up or down. If it moves in your favor by even just 1 pip, you can make a profit. On the other hand, if it moves against you by 1 pip, you will make a loss. Understanding pips is crucial in forex trading, as it allows you to calculate potential profits and losses. It's also important to note that some brokers may use fractional pips, which can be even smaller than a regular pip. Keep in mind that forex trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Always do your research and practice safe trading strategies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.